Kwasịrị na Obi Cubbana akwụghọfụ ụgwọ a na ebe ahụ ogolo anọ na-alụ esteti na Asaba nke bụzi na-eji egbe na ọgụ na mma wee na-achụgharịfa na-achọzikwa ụfọdụ ndị achọ na iru ebe ahụ egbe a na-ada kukuma unu ya abịakwa ka unu welu ntị unu geru na ndị onufụlụ ebe a bụ ndị nwa na ebe ahụ Obi Cubbana golo ọ na-alụ esteti na Asaba na fanụ wee na-atịo na akwụghọkwọfụ ụgwọ ana na Obi Cubbana marufe enu ọ dịka onwe ndị ojekwa ụgwọ ana na ndị nke nwezikwa ana nwa na-ejizikwa egbe na ọgụ na mma na-achụgharịfa o nwekwa onye nkịtị na ọ na-achọ di ya achọ unu ya abịakwa ka unu gere
The issue on ground is that Cubbana came to occupy our land. But the bone in contention is that he did not tell us the actual quantity of land that he wants to buy, but he wants to offer us money.
My husband has a lot of land in that area where Cubbana is occupying now. His land is there. Acres of land are there. So since then we have not seen him. If you get to my school now, the school is now empty because of their terrorizing the students. Sometimes we hear gunshots.
Cubbana knows that that land belongs to us. They went and paid small amount of money to the land grabbers, which is Obi Cubbana. How can you sell land which don't have title? You don't have a listed that. Then you sold the land to Cubbana at a cheap rate because you know that you are not the owner of that land. Then Cubbana now using a listing that say it's Osunkwe, Obi Cubbana. That place is not Obi Cubbana. That place is Akpoma land. We have title. We have everything concerning that land. Felix Okafor, Chinedu Ofuani, these are the land grabbers.
In the process now, one of our sons, Pastor Joseph Ubo, up till now we could not find him.
Since that day he missed, we didn't see his body. No burial is done for him. Till date, I'm still searching for him. The last time I saw my husband was when he visited us in the school and left to the farmland. That's the last thing I saw him since on the 18th of March 2024.
We know that the land belongs to us. That's why we don't want to make noise. We don't want to cause any violence.
Joseph Ubo, till today, we could not find his dead body, whether he's alive or not. That he went say, okay, we want to go to his farm. They from then they killed him. Then recently, one Kikama was shot. We have the pictures and everything. That one is only God that saved him. How about one for live in our camp? This Scorpion, which is Chinedu Ofuani, they went there, they put that fire on his hut. They set the hut ablaze. And that one I make a baby of about 4 months was dead, died. One for a child, about 4 months, died in that process.
Inside the land, they have killed so many people. All with this our brother called Joe.
No compensation on the land, and work is going on there. And this where I'm living.
Even most of the people that are patronizing them to come and buy the land, to let them know that even though they buy the land now, tomorrow they will lose the land. What we are telling them is they should ask Cubbana Group to present the document showing that we have sold those land to them before they begin to sell land to the public.
With so much impunity, the Cubbana Group came and they destroyed properties, people's properties, bulldozed the place. And today, without the consent of Akpoma Quarters, that's my clients, they are on the land building what they called the Cubbana Millennium City. And they come up with a lot of shenanigans, a lot of tales, a lot of, things that would, they bandy about names. They tell you, today they will tell you it's the governor that gave them the place. Tomorrow they will say it's the Delta State government. Next tomorrow they say they have the consent and authority and of course the backing of, elements within the Delta State government. And we know for sure that if the government of a state wants to acquire land, if the Delta State government wants to acquire land, there is a procedure. Of course, we know these are mere lies in order to intimidate the poor people of Akpoma Quarters. We have filed an action in court because we have also asked for an injunction restraining them. We have also, relying on, of course, the consent judgment that we've got, we also asked that the court restrains them. And we're asking for, on behalf of our clients, for 300 billion naira as damages, for the destruction of their properties, for entering their land without their consent. And of course, they are expanding. The way it is right now, they enter the particular place, tried as much as possible to get a CO with regards to that. My clients wrote a series of letters to the Delta State government. They've sought to several affidavits. They've sent them to Delta State government. They sent some to the Ministry of Lands and Survey. They sent some to the Surveyor General of Delta State in order to stop the issuance of a certificate of occupancy to Cubbana Millennium Properties Limited, because they go all out. They go about, boasting that there's nothing anyone is going to do about it. They've taken the land because they have, people in government behind them. And of course, we want to see whether this is a case of might is right. We want to see whether they can get away with it. Of course, we know they will not get away with it. There are laws in this country, and we are going to explore the law to make sure that this kind of attitude, this kind of impunity does not continue. We must stop this. We must get justice for our clients.
My name is Pastor Njikoka Festus Arinze from Akpoma. Akpoma is a son of Ezemo of Isalazaba. Ezemo begat Eno, which is he came as a whole. Then he came give birth to Esau, Ojago, Iba, Akpoma, and Okeme, which is 5 in the whole. Then Akpoma is one of the son of Ezemo. So that is how we inherited this land. The land was given to us by our forefather, which is the Ezemo, through Akpoma. So Akpoma is the one that owns this land. And currently we have Diokpa that is ruling Akpoma, which is Diokpa Dominic Amechi Mokogo. I can even trace how he was born, that is the descendant.
My name is Dominic Amechi Mokogo, the Diokpa of Akpoma, Water, Isalazaba, in Anyocha North local government area of Delta State. I am representing the interests of my people, Akpoma. I am the most senior among my people. Cubbana came to occupy our land without our knowledge. By the time we find out that is the one doing construction in our land, we have to call him. Through the local government chairman, we met severally. But the bone in contention is that he did not tell us the actual quantity of land that he wants to buy, but he wants to offer us money. And why must he offer us money without knowing the quantity of land that he's going to buy? By the time we went there now to check the area in question, he was pointing hand to us. At a time now, he gave us the survey plan. By the time we checked the survey plan, when we called the surveyor to check, the quantity of land there was about 1,090 plots of land. Whereas he told us that he needed about 65 plots of land. Why? He wanted to offer us 500 million for the land. But by the time we checked the record, he could not be able to pay the stakeholder.